Watch this.
I won't let you do this!
You're too late!
I'll stop you!
Try it! Pathetic!
There's no stopping me now!
Google Whisk is shutting down, so I figured out a way to build consistent characters and cinematic movie scenes using Google Flow. And in this video, I'll show how to use Google Flow to build cinematic AI scenes step by step. You'll find links to all the prompts and resources used in the description below. Get started by creating a new project. As soon as you land, you'll see a prompt box below. First, we will generate characters for a superhero fight scene. For that, we'll use this prompt formula. So in the prompt box, type, create a photorealistic image of a muscular male superhero wearing a sleek blue and silver suit with a glowing chest emblem, standing in a confident upright pose, looking straight at the camera with a white background. Select Nano Banana 2 as your image model, image orientation to portrait, and output to 1. Hit generate. While our superhero is generating, let's add a prompt for our supervillain too. You can use this prompt. Create a photorealistic image of a menacing supervillain wearing dark futuristic armor with red glowing eyes and a cracked mask, standing in a dominant pose, looking straight at the camera with a white background. The results are here. Both the superhero and supervillain look detailed and ready for action. Now that you have the characters, it's time to create a fight scene. To do this, switch to video mode, set the orientation to landscape, choose ingredients in the video settings, and keep the output set to 1 to optimize credits. Select VO Fast as your video model and choose 1 output per generation to optimize for credits. Tag your assets in the prompt box and use this prompt formula. So for our video, we'll type, create a video where referenced superhero and referenced supervillain are engaged in an epic standoff in a power plant with glowing energy cores with intense dialogue exchanges. Click generate and wait a few seconds. And here is the output.
I won't let you unleash that power. You're a threat. Fool, this is inevitable. Join me or be destroyed.
The characters match the references and stay consistent throughout the video. You can also try other examples by changing the location and setting. Before finishing, let's quickly look at pricing and credits. Image generation inside Flow is currently free and does not consume credits. Each account receives around 50 AI credits per day, which you need to optimize for video generation. Overall, Flow brings image generation, video animation, and scene building into a single workspace. While Whisk offered a more structured process, Flow focuses on flexibility, allowing you to generate cinematic scenes the way you want. So, try out Flow using the prompts and resources in the description, and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another useful AI tutorial, check out this video next.